Mavic 2 Pro installing Christmas lights. This is the first video taken with my new Mavic 2 Pro drone. The settings are 4K video HQ 30 frames per second, manual focus set to infinity, altitude approximately 100 feet. This video shows my neighbor and his wife setting up their Christmas lights. You are watching a Tom's Tech Notes video. To visit the YouTube channel containing this video, click my name or picture at the bottom of the video. This video uses YouTube cards. To open the card pop-up, hover over the video at any time while it is playing. Click the circled eye in the upper right corner. On mobile devices, tap the screen to see the circled eye. Also, if you're using a YouTube app on a mobile device, cards may not work. You can scroll the pop-up as necessary. Click link website to visit my computer help website. This video is in a playlist, and playlist videos should be watched in order from the playlist page. Click link playlist to open the playlist. My neighbor is atop the cherry picker and his wife is down below handling the wires. There's a couple of neighbors walking down the street on the sidewalk. If you liked my video, please like it and add a comment. If you subscribe and request email notifications, you'll be notified when videos are added to the channel. To visit my channel, click my name, Thomas Wallace, or my photo. Here's how to visit Tom's Tech Notes later. The address of the website is tomstechnotes.com. And to find the YouTube channel, just search for TOMSTDA.